You're not broken. You're not exhausted. You're not stuck. What you're missing is morning discipline. And that lack of discipline is quietly costing you your future. Every single day, you wake up asking yourself why you feel tired before the day even begins, why your mind already feels distracted, and why success seems so far away. The truth is, the problem isn't you, it's your morning habits. Every morning, you face two choices. One choice builds your future, and the other keeps you exactly where you are. Today, I'm going to show you 5 morning habits that can completely change the direction of your life. Because when you fix your mornings, your entire life stops fighting you. The first habit is waking up at the same time every single day. You don't need to wake up at 4 a.m., but you do need consistency. This isn't just about mornings, it's about control. When you master your wake-up time, you master yourself. You're not training the alarm clock, you're training your mind. And the day you gain that control, life stops pushing back. A disciplined morning doesn't just start your day, it defines your future. The second habit is no phone for the first hour. This is where 90% of people lose their morning. The moment they wake up, they reach for their phone reels, notifications, endless distractions, pulling their focus away. Within minutes, their brain gets hijacked, their energy drains, and their clarity disappears. That's why the rest of the day feels so hard. Instead, don't touch your phone for the first hour. Make your bed, drink a glass of water, and get into sunlight. This single decision determines your entire day, because the person who wins the first hour has already won the day. The third habit is moving your body. Every morning, most people do the opposite. They sit still, they scroll, and they shut their system down. Then they wonder why they feel tired, unfocused, and dead inside. Movement isn't about fitness, it's about activation. Whether it's 10 push-ups, a 5-minute stretch, or a full workout, the moment you move, your system wakes up. Endorphins rise, oxygen increases, and energy turns on. If you want clarity, move. If you want energy, move. If you want to feel alive, move. Sitting still is a slow death, because motion creates emotion. That's why the most successful people move first and think later. Control your body, and you control your day. The fourth habit is eating protein. At breakfast, most people start their day with sugar, then crash by 10 in the morning and wonder why they can't focus. The truth is simple. Sugar gives you a spike, but protein gives you control. Protein stabilizes your blood sugar, gives you sustained energy instead of crashes, keeps you full, fuels your muscles, and sharpens your mind. Greek yogurt, boiled eggs, a protein shake, whatever works. Just fuel your body like a machine, not a trash can. Because you are what you eat, and if you eat like you don't matter, you'll live like you don't matter. The fifth habit is doing the hardest task first. Most people spend their mornings avoiding discomfort. They answer emails, check messages, and do busy work just to feel productive. But your willpower is like a battery, and it's fully charged in the morning. Every decision, distraction, and scroll drains it. That's why you must attack your hardest and most important task first, before emails, before meetings, and before your brain has time to negotiate. Do the thing you're avoiding, the thing that scares you, the thing that actually moves your life forward. This is how legends are built. These aren't just habits. This is a system that builds your future brick by brick, morning by morning. You don't need motivation, you need repetition. Protect the first hour, execute without emotion, and let discipline do the heavy lifting. The life you want isn't built in a single day. It's built every morning when no one is watching. And if you're ready to take control of your mornings, comment "I'm ready" and subscribe to Inspire Unbreakable, because this is where discipline is built.